Building an e-commerce store in Nebraska using WordPress is an exciting venture. WordPress, especially with WooCommerce, offers flexibility for any business, whether selling crafts or electronics. Starting with the right platform is crucial. WordPress is open source and customizable, making it a favorite among entrepreneurs. WooCommerce will seamlessly integrate into WordPress, while providing tools for managing inventory, shipping, and payments. Creating a Nebraska storefront means capturing local culture. Use earthy tones reflecting Nebraska's landscapes and incorporate local imagery. Simple navigation is vital. Clear menus and categories help customers find what they need quickly. Responsive design is non-negotiable. Ensure the site looks great on all devices, optimizing for speed and touch-friendly elements. A smooth transaction experience builds customer trust. Secure payment options like PayPal and Stripe are essential. Next, focus on local SEO strategies. Optimize your Google My Business listing and sprinkle local keywords throughout your site. Collaborate with local bloggers for backlinks and visibility. Quality content is key for engagement. Understand your audience's interests and create diverse content types. Incorporate keywords naturally to improve search rankings. Streamlining checkout processes is crucial. Minimize form fields, offer guest checkout, and provide multiple payment options to enhance user experience. Customer feedback is invaluable. Use surveys to gather insights and make necessary changes. Analytics help track user behavior, monitor conversion rates, and identify drop-off points. Marketing your e-commerce store involves leveraging social media. Choose platforms that align with your products, engage with your audience, and consider paid advertising for broader reach. Email marketing remains effective. Segment your audience for personalized emails. Craft compelling subject lines and include clear calls to action. Local advertising strategies can boost visibility. Partner with local influencers, participate in community events, and advertise in local publications to build trust and connect with your audience. Maintaining your online store requires regular updates and backups. Monitor performance metrics using tools like Google Analytics to identify areas for improvement. Security is paramount. Install SSL certificates, update passwords regularly, and use security plugins to protect sensitive data. Building a Nebraska e-commerce store with WordPress is about creating a unique space that reflects your brand. With the right steps and support, success is within reach. If you need assistance with web design or web hosting, please consider Web Snoogie. They offer a team of professionals that can build and host your website for an affordable price. Happy selling!